Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Swati Manjari and today we are tackling a challenge every job seeker faces. That is how to write a one-page resume that stand out and grab attention. This is perfect for anyone who is applying for a job or looking to make a great first impression without getting lost in details. So we'll cover everything from structure to tips for keeping it concise while still showcasing your skills and experience. So let's get started. First thing is first. That is why a one-page resume. In today's competitive job market, recruiters often spend just 7 seconds or 10 seconds scanning each resume. That's why it's crucial to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. A one-page resume forces you to focus on most important details and make sure recruiters don't miss what they really want. It's perfect for those who has less experience or for professionals both. Okay, which is where means candidates who are having less experience or having so much of professional experience. So who wants to give a quick but impactful snapshot of their career? So for that, one page is resume. One page resume is there. So okay, so let's start with the step one for this. That is choosing a right template. A lot of people make mistakes of using overly designed and fancy templates. While they look great, but ATS may not have trouble. ATS may have trouble reading them. So stick to the clean, simple, and professional format. Use for standard formats or regular formats like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman, and avoid, most importantly, avoid tables, graphics, or any text boxes because these elements can mess up the ATS software, that is application tracking system software, and making your resume unreadable. So keep that in mind. So now let's get started. While here we can see resume template. We have to choose one of the resume template. I already choose that, so I'm just taking it there, and I will share the link too. Don't worry. This is I personally like this because it's a clean and simple resume format. What you have to do, because it's really troublesome task to do all the MS Word thing. So just take any resume you like in the Canva. Sometimes they will allow you to download or sometimes they will not allow you, but if you're means if you're literally choosing a easy template, they will not uh, charge you for that. So I'm literally choosing a simple template. So and what you have to do, you have to um, click on this share button and then just download it. After you download this, you just have to go to PDF to Word. Okay, and then you have to in this one of whichever you want to go through, you can go and just select that PDF file and you can convert that PDF file into the Word file. So I already did that, so I'm not showing it over here. This is what it is. Okay, I have converted that PDF file into Word file. Now let's jump into the step one. That is crafting a strong header. Your header should include your name, job title, phone number, email ID, if you have LinkedIn or your bio profile, then that you can include over here and keep it clean and professional. You can have address like this over here also. But the most important thing you have to consider that you should not give all the address of your home. Just give the state name or the city name and the country name. Okay. Here I have written somewhat fake data. So avoid clutter by keeping unnecessary details like your home address. Most companies don't need it upfront. A simple, well organized header set the tone of your resume. What is the main aim of this? We are doing is because we want to stand out all the details we have. So avoid any unnecessary detail in your header. Okay. Now, the step two is all about nailing your summary or objective statement. Here, I'll just given some temporary statement which are not I have given. I already download it from the Canva. So the step two is all about nailing your summary or objective statement. This is the first section recruiter reads. So it needs to be packed a punch in just a few sentences. Like it should be of one sentence only, not this much, just a sentence. And your summary should briefly highlighting your most relevant experience, skills, and career goals. If you are new to your workforce or switching careers, an objective statement that emphasizes what you are looking for can work too. Keep it concise but impactful. Okay, this is what some summary should have. It should be just a one-line statement, not big like this, and it should have all the briefly highlights of what you want, really what you want, not a copied statement from anywhere. Okay. Now the next segment is work experience. Here I have they are given professionals experience. Since we are working in with a limited space, you'll have to focus on relevant experience only. Like some people choose to have career break or someone have like switching in between careers. So if you are applying for a job which is related to IT industry, then stick to that. Like only give them relevant experience whatever you have, and means detailed idea of your relevant experience what you have, and not the other experience. Like if you are having experience in technical field, like you are from a mechanical or electrical branch, but and you have somewhat experience, and now you are turning it into IT, and the relevant experience you have it's of like 2 to 3 years. So just keep the relevant experience. Like if you're now applying for a software developer, then keep the experience of that developer thing only, and it should not see your career gap. So you just enter the headers and somewhat details about your back. Like if you are likely to career switch, then you can like just show them in the professional experience. So for each role, include job title, company name, and the dated work. Keep your bullet points short and action focused. Use strong verbs like develop, led, and improve to highlight what you accomplish in each role. Keep long paragraphs. Here, look, they hadn't written so many paragraphs, just some bullet points only. Keep long paragraphs and focus on measurable achievements. If you are starting out and don't have much experience, you can include internship, voluntary work, or relevant projects you have worked on. Remember, it's all about the quality over quantity. Okay. And the next step, that is step four, is all about showcasing your skills and education. This So you need not to write now. If you are not a fresher, then you need not to write your SSC 12th marks. Just write your bachelor's degree or any post graduation you have done. So step four is where you list your skills and education. For your skills section, pick about 6 to 8 skills that are more relevant to the job. Now here given some of the skills, but if you are from the IT field, then you can choose something different like Java, Spring Boot, microservices, agile methodologies, Git, Jenkins, time management, team collapse. This kind of skills you can include over there, but just take in consideration it should not be in a box, not in a column, because ATS cannot read it. That is the only important thing you have to keep in your mind, that no tables, no paragraphs. Sorry, you can write paragraphs, but you should not write paragraph, because we want to make a one page resume and it should be short and concise, because no one going to watch read everything whatever you are write in your resume. They just have take a look and just watch some highlights highlighted you have given over there, and they will ask question on top of that to you. So in the education, if you have got a degree or certification, make sure it's clearly listed. For most people, your education section can be simple, just like shown here. And the step 5 is crucial because it's a overall step that you have to keep it short and relevant. Only includes what's relevant. If the job or skill doesn't directly relate to the position you are applying for, it might be best to leave it off, because they will not take a view on you what you have done in the past. So because they want the relevant experience only, they will not hire you for your back experience. Like your total experience might be 4 years, and but you are working on the relevant experience is just for 2 years. But then why will obviously why will they consider your past experience? They just want what is your current experience, so stick to that. Use bullet points, not paragraph, that is only the thing. And don't be afraid to cut unnecessary details. Always ask yourself, does this help me get the job I'm applying for? If the answer is no, then hit delete icon. Just hit delete. If it is not relevant to the job you're applying for, then why? No, just delete it. Okay. And the most important thing is the last step is formatting. Make sure your resume should be easy to read and concise font. Don't use so much with unfamiliar words in English, in because sometimes what happens, you know that word, but the interviewer might not know that word. So just keep it, make it so something simple, and be consistent with the font sizes, headings, and spacings. Use fonts like Arial, Calibri. Here they have used in Georgia font. So that is a regular font you can use, and keep everything in black and white only, because it looks clean and professional. Double check for every spelling you have and grammatical mistake, because if it comes in someone's eyesight, then they will obviously ask you why, like you have mistaken over here, because people like to show your mistakes to you. That is human tendency. So double check your false spellings or any grammatical mistakes you have done, and save your resume as PDF or docs. Both you have to save it in the both format, the doc format and the PDF format. But always check the job application instruction to see which format they prefer. And most importantly, when you are like when you are going to apply for any job, take their job description and match it with your whatever keywords over there. They are all the keywords in the job description should be in your resume. So you have to change your resume frequently where you want to apply. Okay, and that's it. And there is, you have it, a clean professional one page resume done. Now you're ready to apply for your dream job. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more job tips. Thanks for watching and good luck for your job hunt. Thank you.